Hello guys, in this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of sending money through WorldRemit, a fast and secure way to transfer funds to your loved ones around the world. Whether you're helping out family, supporting friends, or making international payments, WorldRemit has got you covered. Let's get started. First of all, what you're going to do is open your browser of your choice. Now in the search bar, type WorldRemit. Now tap on the first link that pops up. Now once you're in the website, what you have to do is sign up. So let's register here. So let's tap on sign up. That is on the top right corner of the page. Now it'll ask you to create your account. It'll ask you your country and you can select your country. After that, email and password. Then tap on continue. Now on this page, tap on send money. Here you'll have to select the amount and the currency type, to and from. So let's select that. After that, it'll ask you your phone number. Then tap on continue and it'll send your money. So that's it guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more WorldRemit tips and guides. Thanks for watching.